Tonight, my husband and I are going out. That's right, date night. No cooking, no cleaning, no what's for dinner? And no, we're not ordering pizza. We're doing something braver. We're leaving dinner in the hands of our kids. But don't worry, this isn't a recipe that requires knife skills or a culinary degree. This is shelf-stable, no fridge needed, loadedpotato.org, chili and cornbread. It's budget-friendly, emergency-friendly, and apparently kid-proof.
Okay.
Bye.
I'm Joy. This is Duke. Where'd you go?
Hi.
Ella. There's Ella. And I'm gonna... Oh, we're making chili and cornbread. Okay, sorry about that. I'm gonna just prop you up right here. Okay. Mom said me to start with the muffins.
Thanks.
To 400. Okay, we're gonna start off with a tablespoon and a half of dry whole milk. One. Does that look like a half?
No. Put like a little bit more in that.
2 tablespoons of egg powder. That chicken looks like your girlfriend. And a half a cup of water.
You're spilling.
No, I'm not.
You were.
Why is there no water in there? Bula, can you stir for me? Sure. Okay, come. While she's stirring that, we're gonna open up the corn muffin mix. Food. And then I drop it in here.
That's right.
All of it?
I don't know. What did it say? Yeah, all of it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, can you stir that up?
I'm a
I'll
good
help her.
person.
Okay, now we're gonna actually like make these muffins. We need Pam. Dude, where's Pam?
Oh, right here. I found it.
Why'd you sound drunk? Okay, now we're gonna put it in. Okay, now we're gonna put these in the oven for 15 minutes.
Yep.
Boom. Boom.
So while the muffins are cooking, we're gonna make the chili. So I'm gonna get a pot right over here, and we're gonna add the ingredients. 1 can of chili, no beans. Can of golden sweet whole kettle kernel corn.
Just corn.
Now, after the second ingredient, you do the third ingredient, which is tomatoes. And then the fourth ingredient. Ooh, shoot. This is tomato sauce. Next ingredient is pinto beans. Now with all the canned stuff in, we're gonna add dried onions. Half a cup of dried onions. Half a tablespoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Quarter teaspoon of dried cayenne. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. It should be looking something like this. Now we have to stir this pot, but we're torn between a wooden spatula and a metal spoon.
Metal spoon.
Okay,
All right, Ella, let's stir it.
Should be looking like sort of like this. We're gonna put this on the stove, but I'm not gonna put it on the stove.
Should Duke or Joy?
Joy.
Okay.
You changed it. How could you change it? Let's put it on low, okay? All right, I'm gonna check on the muffins. Oh no, they burned. Just kidding. They are looking pretty good. Should I pull them out, Joy?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lesson in cooking from your good old boy Duke. If you're pulling out something hot, use hot pads. Muffins. Mmm.
Okay, once your chili's hot, after like 10 minutes,
Turn off the stove. Shit, bro.
let's go.
And ourselves some chili. Hot and ready.
Imagine I dump that everywhere. 2 green bowls.
The bowls are right here and we can serve everybody up. Here you go.
Okay, now grab a cornbread.
Dinner is served.
Mmm.
What's that?
Oh, hot. It's really good. And that's how you make chili and corn muffins. So yeah, if I can make this, you definitely can. All the recipes are at
YouLovePotato.org.
yeah. Oh. Which button turns it off?
That's a photo.